Cool, man. You never know who's watching these days. You gotta be discreet, right?
Yep.
All right. Do you have a favorite kind of dog? A Chiweenie. Awesome. Give me a high five. Give it up for my second brave volunteer out here. And last but not least, what's your name?
Ella.
Ella?
Ella.
Ella? How old are you?
10.
10? Where are you from?
Nada, North Dakota.
Oh, have you been here before? You have? This is your first time then? All right, then I got a question for you. If you could say one thing here at Valley Fair has been your favorite thing, could be anything here, what would you say it is?
The wild thing.
Second best thing. Second best thing here at Valley Fair.
The drop towers.
Third time's a charm. Third best thing here at Valley Fair.
I guess this one?
I guess it's all right. Thanks for playing along. Give me a high five. Maybe you'll change your mind by the end of the show. All right, now, what I didn't tell you three is that our dogs are used to performing with other dogs. So we're gonna try and fool our stunt dog today with you three. Now, I don't think she's gonna buy it if you guys are standing on your hind legs, so I need you guys down on your hands and knees for me. Hands and knees, that's perfect. This is the real test though. See if you guys can really fool my stunt dog today. I need you three to wag your tails as fast as you can. What do you guys think? You think they're gonna fool my stunt dog? I think you guys are doing a great job. Now I need you guys to stay down on all fours, but I am gonna tell you what's gonna happen so you're not surprised when this dog comes out. She's gonna try and pull off her big air stunt of the show. She's gonna start right here. She's gonna run as fast as she can. Jump up onto my back, into the air, and attempt to catch one of these Frisbees over 3 brave dogs. Can you guys guess who those brave dogs are gonna be? That's right, these 3. So if I were you, I would probably squeeze together as close as you possibly can. Get in there, shoulder to shoulder, and I would get down as low as you can go to the ground. Now I'm gonna get this dog out here. I'm gonna get her warmed up and ready for her big air stunt. We're bringing back out Rosie. Go round, Rosie. Get your legs stretched out, big girl. All right. We got Rosie stretched out. I'm going to get her in position. Now this trick is going to happen on the count of 3. Can I have that? Thank you. No. Okay. There we go. Sit. Stay right there. Wait. Let me get a practice throw in. Tell me about it. Oh man, you got these all full of slobber. Thanks for wearing that shirt today, buddy. All right, you get back over there. On the count of 3, stay. 1, 2, stay. 2, 2.5, 3. Oh, she barely misses that. What do you guys think? Should we do it again? All right, come on over here. Wait right there. 1, I said wait. 2, 2.5, 3. There it is. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for my big air stunt dog out here today. All right. Watch your fingers there, Sarah, if you want to keep them. Now, what do you guys think of Rosie out here? You guys did a great job. You can stand up for me. Do me one more big favor, though. Face the audience. Take a big bow. Everybody give them a big round of applause. You guys did a great job. You can head back out into the audience and enjoy the rest of the show. All right, now before we bring out our